Hi everyone, this is week 5, low light of the 52-week project, and I'm going to get to work on my first image here. And to start off in camera raw. It's a little bit dark, so let's raise the highlights a little here. That should be pretty good right there. I'll get some of this a little brighter. So I'll raise up my whites as well. No, that's way too bright. Let's say right around there, that's good. Now, check this out. Pretty scary looking close up. Got a little bit of noise in here. This was shot at ISO 800 if I'm not mistaken. So I'm going to the sharpening panel and increase the luminance value. It starts to go away. That's a little too smooth. So around there is pretty good. And try and bring back some of the detail, maybe in here. Bring up the luminance detail. I'm going to raise that up a bit. Very subtle, you can see. It's, say right around there should be alright. Do a little preview before and after. Significantly did a good job on that. Alright, let's bring it into Photoshop. Okay. The first thing I want to do here is fix that yellow color cast, because this was taken with one candle. It's actually just out of frame. I could actually feel the heat from it when I was taking the picture. Alright, let's go down to the adjustments and let's do a photo filter. Of course, the opposite of the orange color would be a cooling filter. So let's try maybe it's too purple. Filter 80. Let's try 82. That kind of neutralizes it there. So let's see. Go up the density a little bit. Let's bring back some of that warmth. We don't want it to be too blue. Let's move it down. Not too much in there. That should be good right around there. The one thing I'm not liking is how it's leaving this blue down here. So we could change our blending mode to saturation, so it'll affect only the saturation of the layer, and it removes that blue down on the bottom there. Alright, let's see. Next thing, I think my eye's a little bit too dark. Move in on that. Do a little selection. I'm going to hit Q to get into the quick mask mode, and you can see I'm already in a brush. So let's just raise this, size of this a little bit. Click, and like once or twice there. That should be alright. And then when you hit Q again, it automatically selects it. But if you notice, it selects the whole thing. So inverted, Control Shift I inverts that selection. And zoom back in. And what I'll do is create an adjustment layer. Let's see. Curve should be good. And doing anything with it, I'm just going to change it to screen, which should automatically brighten it up. There we go. Let's see. So I'll lower the opacity a little bit on that. I think it's a little too strong. It should be alright. Kind of blends in with the image. Not too overpowering. It's not good. I'm gonna. Ooh. Oh, it's doing that. Go back to the mask. I don't know why it's doing that. That's. Okay. It's not liking me right now. I don't know why. Interesting. I don't know what that was all about. Anyway, it should be black, so I could just click on there with the brush, set the black right on the mask. And you can see what that looks like. Just alt click on the mask and it will show you what the mask itself looks like. Alright. Let's see. Well, it doesn't look too bad. I think I'm going to make this black and white. Add a black and white adjustment layer here. There it is. Okay. So see my magentas there. Actually, it doesn't look too bad right off the bat. We'll use the whites a little bit on there, which is actually the red channel. So. Yeah, I like that. Really have to do much with it. Okay. Let's see. Maybe do a little crop on this. Add a little space onto the one side here. Move that down. It's not bad. And then what I'll do now is add a new layer. Oops. Yeah, did it again. Add a new layer. And then gradient, I'm going to set that to foreground or transparent. Make sure foreground is black. Here, hold the shift key. There we go. And there's a little bit right here too, that kind of bothers me. Click right there. There we go. Now this image also, since we added this black in here, as you can see there's still a little bit of noise. So that's not going to show up in the final, that's just a glitch that's going on with Photoshop. But as you can see, there's a little noise over here and none over here. So I'll have to add a little noise to that to even it out. That actually looks pretty good. Alright, and there we go. Just hide the tabs on full screen, and there it is.